Proshare Nigeria has unveiled two new indices that track two of Nigeria's billionaire investors and chairmen of some companies listed on the stock exchange. Aliko Dangote, Nigerian-born Africa's richest man, and the man called Afro-capitalist, the proponent of Afro-capitalism, Tony Elumelu, the chairman of a UBA group. So what is this indices all about? Let's try and get a sense. Dangote is in the industrial sector, and that's where all its companies are, while Tony Elumelu is in the financial services industry. According to Proshare Nigeria, the two indices are called Dangote Index and Elumelu Index. So that's how they will be, they have been named, and moving forward, that you need to remember that Dangote Index and Elumelu Index. According to Proshare Nigeria, the indices were created, were designed to monitor trading actions by equity ownership groupings with large market capitalizations. In other words, if you look at the equity ownership of Aliko Dangote and Tony Elumelu in those companies, which we're going to show you, you find out that they're very heavy in terms of market cap. The four listed companies owned by Aliko, in which Aliko Dangote is a major shareholder, accounts for about 31%, or a third of Nigerian stock exchange 11.2 trillion naira equity capitalization. And the behavior of these companies influence broad market direction when significant changes happen to any of the stocks in Dangote's portfolio. Okay, so let's show you the four companies and how their market cap currently stands. This is tracking the Dangote Index. Dangote Cement is worth 3.16 trillion naira. It's the largest company on the Nigerian market. Dangote Sugar PLC, Dangote Sugar Refinery, was a market cap of 167.4 billion naira, while Dangote Flour is worth 50.50 billion naira. And NASCOM, which is a salt company, which was acquired by the Dangote Industries a number of years ago, is worth 50.47 billion naira. So if you do a simple summary there, you find that the Dangote companies within the Dangote Index is worth a summary total of 3.437 trillion naira. So how much is that weight? That's about 30.77% of the Nigerian Stock Exchange equity capitalization. Flip that over and look at the Elumelu Index, tracking the Afro-capitalist man. This is Tony Elumelu, largely in the financial services industry. UBA has a market cap of 235.81 billion naira. Transcorp, which Tony Elumelu is also the chairman and also a shareholder, is worth 47.97 billion naira. And Africa Prudential, that is a financial services company doing business of registrar and others within the market space, also listed on the stock exchange, has 8.36 billion naira in market cap. And you find UBA Capital is worth 17, which is an investment bank, also listed on the NSE, worth 17.34 billion naira. So do a simple math there. You find in the Elumelu Index, those four companies the total market cap of 350.534 billion naira. If you put the weights in the against the Nigerian Stock Exchange equity index, that gives you 3.14%. So that's how all those stacked up. But why is this being done? According to Proshare, it says those indices do not represent an attempt to provide either a buy, sell, or hold advice to equity investors, but simply indicates large cap equity market guidance. In other words, those indices, the two indices, Dangote Index and the Elumelu Index, are not an attempt to provide, that's what they call the disclosure there. It's not, it's a warning to everyone, to buy or sell or hold advice for any of those companies within the Elumelu Index and the Dangote Index, but simply indicate large cap equity market guidance.